Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to this video. I am your Ravi sir. Today you are going to study lesson number 1 Chanakya and Rakshasa. Dear students, in this lesson there are 9 paragraphs are there. You can study one by one. Let us look at the first paragraph. Chandragupta became the king of Magadha with the help of a very clever man called Chanakya. Chanakya's great task was almost done when he had placed Chandragupta on the throne of only one thing remained for him to do. That was to find a wise and able minister to help Chandragupta to rule the kingdom. In this paragraph, there are 4 to 5 important things are there. First point, Chandragupta became the king of Magadha. He became king with the help of a very clever man called Chanakya. So, who was Chanakya? Chanakya was a very clever man, and with his help, Chandragupta became the king of Magadha. So, in this way, Chanakya's great task was almost done when he had placed Chandragupta on the throne of Magadha kingdom. So, what was the great task? The question arises here that what was the great task of Chanakya? Chanakya's great task was that when he had placed Chandragupta on the throne of Magadha kingdom. So, this is Chanakya's great task. And one more task is remain. That is only one thing remained for him. Only one thing remained for him. What was one thing? To find a wise and able minister to help Chandragupta to rule the kingdom. So, is it clear, dear students? Only one thing remained. One thing means to find a wise and able minister. For what? To help Chandragupta to rule the kingdom. I repeat this paragraph once again. Chandragupta became the king of Magadha kingdom. How did he become king? With the help of very clever man called Chanakya. So this is the greatest task of Chanakya was done. And he has one more task, that is to find a wise and able minister to help Chandragupta to rule the kingdom. Now in the right side you can watch question and answers on the basis of first paragraph. Look at the first question. Who became the king of Magadha? Answer, Chandragupta. Second question. Who helped Chandragupta to become a king? Answer, Chanakya. 3. What was the greatest task of Chanakya? The greatest task of Chanakya was that placed Chandragupta on the throne of Magadha kingdom. Question number 4. Only one thing remained for him to do. This is extract question. Who does the word him refer to? Him refers to Chanakya. Him means Chanakya. B question. For whom did he want to do that thing? Answer, Chandragupta. C. What was one thing remained for him to do? One thing already I discussed in the paragraph. Answer, to find a wise and able minister to help Chandragupta to rule the kingdom. Students, I move on to next paragraphs. Second paragraph. His choice fell on Rakshasa, the great minister of the Nanda kingdom. Rakshasa was on the side of the Nandas, the enemy of Chandragupta. Hence, Chanakya had to win over. We had to win him over. He knew that the kingdom would be safe if Rakshasa became the minister. So, one thing to fulfill the remaining thing, Chanakya's choice fell on Rakshasa. So, question arises here, dear students. Who was Rakshasa? Rakshasa was the great minister of Nanda kingdom. Who was Rakshasa? Rakshasa was the great minister of the Nanda kingdom. So Chanakya wanted to take him to Chandragupta to help him. So Rakshasa was on the side of the Nandas, the enemy of Chandragupta. So who are the enemies of Chandragupta? Nandas were the enemies of Chandragupta. Hence, Chanakya had to win him over. So Chanakya had to win him over. They were the enemies of Chandragupta. But how to win? That is the main important thing. He knew that the kingdom would be safe if Rakshasa became the minister. Here, why did Chanakya choose Rakshasa? Because Chanakya knew that the kingdom would be safe if Rakshasa became the minister of Magadha kingdom. So, I explain it once again. His choice fell on Rakshasa. His means Chanakya's choice fell on Rakshasa. So, who was Rakshasa? Rakshasa was the great minister of Nanda kingdom. So, he was on the side of Nandas. But Chanakya had to win him over to take him to Magadha's side. So Rakshasa was on the side of the Nandas, the enemy of Chandragupta. So hence Chanakya had to win him over. So he means Chanakya. Chanakya knew that the kingdom would be safe if Rakshasa became the minister of Magadha kingdom. So question arises here, that is, why did Chanakya want to win over Rakshasa? Because Chanakya wanted to win him over because his kingdom would be safe if Rakshasa became the minister. So that's why Chanakya's choice fell on Rakshasa. Let us study the question and answers on the basis of second paragraph. Question number 1. Who was Rakshasa? Rakshasa, the great minister of Nanda kingdom. Question number 2. Who were the enemies of Chandragupta? Answer, Nandas. Question number 3. Why did Chanakya want to win over Rakshasa? Answer, Chanakya wanted to win over Rakshasa because he knew that the kingdom would be safe if Rakshasa became the minister of Magadha kingdom. Shall we move on to next? Yes. Dear students, third paragraph. But how to find the whereabouts of Rakshasa? He had been in hiding somewhere. None but his dear friend Chandan Das knew where he was. Chandan Das was not the man to let out secret for anything in the world. So, but how to find whereabouts of Rakshasa? So, how to find whereabouts of Rakshasa? He had been in hiding somewhere. So, who was hiding? Rakshasa had been hiding somewhere. So, none but his dear friend Chandan Das knew. So, Rakshasa had a close friend. He was Chandan Das. Now, who was Chandan Das? Chandan Das was a close friend of Rakshasa. Or who was Rakshasa? Rakshasa was a great minister of Nanda kingdom and he was also a close friend of Chandan Das also. So, who knew about Rakshasa? Chandan Das knew about Rakshasa. So, where he was? Only the clue is given to Chandan Das. Chandan Das was not the man to let out secret for anything in the world. So, who was Chandan Das? What kind of man was? The question is that here two questions arise. Who was Chandan Das and what kind of man was he? Chandan Das was a close friend of Rakshasa and what kind of man was Chandan Das? Chandan Das was not the man to let out secret for anything in the world. It means he was very confidential man. Confidential means secret man, not to say anything about his friend to anybody. So, is it clear, dear students? I will repeat. Here, Rakshasa. Rakshasa was great minister of Nanda kingdom. He had a close friend. He was Chandan Das. Who was Chandan Das? Chandan Das was a close friend of Rakshasa. What kind of man was Chandan Das? Chandan Das was a confidential man. It means he was not the man to let out secret for anything in the world. He was a secret hiding person of his friend's secret. So questions are there on the right side. Question number 1. Who was Chandan Das? What kind of man was he? Answer. Chandan Das was a dear friend of Rakshasa. He was a confidential man, or he was Chandan Das was not the man to let out secret for anything in the world. Paragraph 4th. However, Chanakya hit upon a plan. He imprisoned Chandan Das and announced throughout the kingdom, if Minister Rakshasa does not return within a fortnight, the head of Chandan Das would be cut off. The news spread far and wide like wildfire. However, Chanakya hit upon a plan. Why did Chanakya hit upon a plan? To find Ra- to find out Rakshasa. So that's why Chanakya hit upon a plan. What was that plan? Let us see. He means Chanakya. Chanakya imprisoned Chandan Das. Who was Chandan Das? We discussed already. Chandan Das was a dear friend of Rakshasa. So Chanakya imprisoned Chandan Das and announced throughout the kingdom, if Minister Rakshasa does not return within a fortnight, the head of Chandan Das would be cut off. So this was the plan of Chanakya. So the news spread far and wide like wildfire. This news was spread throughout the kingdom. So is it clear, dear students? Once again I will repeat this paragraph. Chanakya made a plan to find out Rakshasa. What was that plan? Chanakya imprisoned Chandan Das and announced throughout the kingdom, if Minister Rakshasa does not return within a fortnight. Fortnight means 14 days time. Fortnight, the head of Chandan Das would be cut off. So this news was spread throughout the kingdom. The news spread far and wide like wildfire. So on the basis of fourth paragraph, look at the question and answers. So, question number 1. What plan did Chanakya hit upon to find out Rakshasa? Answer. Chanakya hit upon a plan. He imprisoned Chandan Das and announced throughout the kingdom, if Minister Rakshasa does not return within fortnight, the head of Chandan Das would be cut off. So this is Chanakya's plan. Second question. The news spread far and wide like wildfire. So, who announced this news? Answer. Chanakya. B. Where was the news announced? Answer. Throughout the kingdom. C. What was the news? The news was that if Minister Rakshasa does not return within a fortnight, the head of Chandan Das would be cut off. So, fifth paragraph. A fortnight from that day passed, and yet there was no sign of Rakshasa coming out of his hiding place. So the next day, Chandan Das was taken to the marketplace. There, all the people had come out to see what would really happen. When the order to cut off his head was read out, Loudly, the crowd waited in breathless silence. In this paragraph, a fortnight from that date passed. Fortnight means 14 days time was over, and yet there was no sign. Sign means symbol. In any indications, there were no symbols or sign of Rakshasas coming out of his hiding place because he had hidden somewhere. The next day, Chandan Das was taken to the marketplace. The next day, already Chanakya made a plan that Chandan Das was taken to the marketplace. There, all the people had come out to see what would really happen. So, Chandan Das was taken to the marketplace. There, all the people had come out. People come out to see what would really happen. What is going on there? What was going on there? And what would really happen? Whether he was given punishment or not, what would really happen? So people were curiously waiting what would really happen. So when the order to cut off his head was read out, so when the order fortnight days was fortnight span period was over, no sign of Rakshasa coming out from hiding place. So now the time is has come to read the order. So when the order to cut off his head was read out loudly, the crowd waited in breathless silence. The crowd waited in breathless silence. So here, why did people gathered at the marketplace? Question will come to like this type. So why? Because people gathered at the marketplace, they wanted to know what would really happen. So when one more question will come from this paragraph, that is what happened when the order was read out? When the order was read out, the crowd waited in breathless silence. So I repeat, discuss once again the question and answers. Look at the right side. Question number 1. What happened when the order was read out? The crowd waited in breathless silence when the order was read out. Question number 2. Why did the people gather at the marketplace? Answer. The people gathered at the marketplace because they wanted to know what would really happen. Let us see sixth paragraph. Just at that moment means when the order was read out, at that moment, a man came to the place rushing and crying. One man came rushing and crying, "Stop, stop!" All eyes turned towards the man. He seemed to have come from a long distance. His clothes were dusty, he was wet all over with sweat, and he looked tired. Just at that moment means when the order was read out, a man came to the place rushing, "Stop, stop!" So all eyes turned towards the man. "Stop, stop!" Who said this? That man was Rakshasa. "Stop, stop!" Who said this? Rakshasa. So where was it said? It was said in the marketplace. So his clothes were dusty. He come from a long distance. He looked like a long. He looked like dusty and come from long distance way. So his clothes were dusty. He was wet all over with sweat and looked tired. He looked like very tired man because he come from a long distance. So he said, "Stop, stop." At that moment, everyone in the marketplace, people gathered at the marketplace, curiously waiting. He said, "Stop, stop." Look at the question and answers. Stop. Who said this? Rakshasa. B. Where was it said? It was said in the marketplace. Why was it said? Because Chanakya was reading the order to cut the head of Chandan Das. Why did he say? Because Chanakya was reading the order to cut the head of Chandan Das. So that's why he said, Stop. Don't cut the head of Chandan Das. He come out because he wanted to save his friend life. Look at the seventh paragraph. He shouted, Here I am. I am Rakshasa, whom you seek. For God's sake, spare Chandan Das. He shouted. He refers to He refers to Rakshasa. He shouted, Here I am. I am Rakshasa, whom you seek. For God's sake, spare Chandan Das. He said. Who said? Rakshasa said this to Chanakya. So simple. I repeat this one. He shouted. He means Rakshasa shouted. Here I am. I refers to Rakshasa. Here I am. I am Rakshasa whom you seek. Seek means searching. You are searching me. I am here. Spare Chandanda. Spare means leave it. Ulisi save. Spare means save. Kapadodu. Save. Spare Chandan Das' life. He requested, for God's sake, spare Chandan Das. Question number 1. Look at the question and answers now. Here I am. Who said this? Answer Rakshasa. B. Who was it said to? Answer. It was said to Chanakya. C. When was it said? Answer. It was said when the order was read out to cut off the head of Chandan Das. Question number 2. For God's sake, spare Chandan Das. A. Who said this? Answer Rakshasa. B. To whom was it said? It was said to Chanakya. C. Why was it said so? It was said so because the order to cut off Chandan Das' head was read out. Let's move on to next one. 8th paragraph. The people there shouted in joy, Oh, it is Minister Rakshasa. Chandan Das is saved. The people there shouted in joy. Who are shouting? People were shouting in the marketplace. With curiously, happily they are shouting. Oh, it is Minister Rakshasa. Chandan Das is saved. So people say these words, saying these words. Oh, it is Minister Rakshasa. Chandan Das is saved. Look at the question and answers. Oh, it is Minister. Who said this? People. Where was it said? It was said in the marketplace. When was it said? It was said when Rakshasa appeared at the marketplace. This one is very important. When did the people said? The people said that when Rakshasa appeared at the marketplace or when he come out from the hiding place and appeared at the marketplace. Let us see the 9th paragraph. Chanakya came forward and received Rakshasa with great honor. At last, Chanakya came forward and received Rakshasa. He welcomed. Received means welcomed. Rakshasa with great honor. Chanakya welcomed Rakshasa with great honor. He made him. He means Chanakya. Chanakya made him. Him refers to Rakshasa. He refers to Chanakya. Made him. Him refers to Rakshasa. He made Chanakya made Rakshasa agree to be the minister of Magadha. He offered rich presents. He refers to Chanakya offered rich presents to Chandan Das and sent him home. So how was Chandan Das treated at the end? This question here come. How was Chandan Das? Chandan Das was treated with great honor and rich presents at the end. Question number 1. How was Chandan Das treated at the end? Chandan Das was treated with great honor and rich presents at the end. Dear students, thank you very much for listening this video. So I hope you understand. If you have any doubts, please give your feedback. For other question and answers, you can watch one more of my video. So thank you very much.